All right, everybody, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive.
Absolutely. Always ready to dig into some fascinating research.
So today we're all about heart health.
Got some interesting stuff to unpack from, let me see. Yes, from Pasted Text.
Definitely. Beyond the usual advice, this goes deeper, like really practical strategies for everyday life.
Right. Not just the same old stuff. I'm always curious about what the science actually says. Like what really moves the needle.
Totally. And this source, it's got some surprises.
Okay, I'm all ears. Lay it on me. What kind of stuff are we talking about here?
Well, you know how everyone's always pushing for 10,000 steps a day?
Yeah, the magic number.
Right.
Yeah.
But this source suggests it's not just about the number of steps. It's about the kind of walking you're doing.
Okay. That's interesting. So, like, just ambling around the house doesn't cut it. Got to get that heart rate up.
Exactly. They talk about zone 2 training.
Zone 2. That sounds kind of intense. It's not, actually. Think brisk walking or a light jog. The key is your heart rate's elevated, but you can still hold a conversation.
Got it. So, not sprinting for the bus, but also not just window shopping.
Right. And the zone 2 thing, it seems to be super effective for strengthening your heart muscle.
Huh. Interesting. So it's like hitting the gym for your heart, but in a, more chill way.
Exactly. Way less intimidating than, hardcore cardio.
Yeah, that's more my speed. So zone 2, walking for a healthier heart. Got it. What else does this source say?
There's a lot about stress and how it affects your heart.
Stress. Yeah, we all know stress is bad, but I'm guessing there's more to it.
Right. Like at a cellular level, the source talks about something called oxidative stress.
Oxidative stress. Okay, you're losing me a bit.
So when you're chronically stressed, your body pumps out these hormones, adrenaline, cortisol, all that. And these hormones create these harmful molecules.
Harmful molecules.
Yeah.
Like little Pac-Man ghosts chomping away at your heart.
Well, not exactly, but close. They can actually damage the cells in your heart.
Wow, so stress isn't just giving me a headache, it's like attacking my heart.
Pretty much. The source calls it a slow burn, and it's a big deal.
So what can we do about it? Apart from, quitting our jobs and moving to a deserted island.
Well, the source highlights mindfulness, meditation, deep breathing, stuff like that.
Yeah, I've heard meditation is good for stress, but I never really connected it to, heart health.
It's all connected. The source suggests that mindfulness can actually counteract oxidative stress, like giving your heart a shield.
Okay, that's pretty compelling. Makes me want to dust off my meditation app.
Yeah, totally. And speaking of protection, the source also gets into food.
Food. Okay, here we go. The Eat Your Veggies lecture.
Not exactly. More like understanding how specific nutrients impact your heart.
Okay, I'm listening.
Well, first up, potassium. You get it from things like bananas, sweet potatoes.
Yeah, potassium's important, right?
Hugely. It plays a major role in regulating blood pressure.
Huh. See, I knew potassium was good for something, but I never really made that connection.
Right. And the source emphasizes magnesium, too. It's in leafy greens, nuts, those kinds of things.
Okay, magnesium. What's its superpower?
Magnesium helps your heart muscles relax and contract properly, so it's, crucial for maintaining a healthy rhythm.
So a healthy heart needs its chill time.
And
it's magnesium.
Basically. And it's not just about what you eat. The source also talks about what you don't get enough of.
Oh, don't tell me. Sleep.
Bingo. Sleep deprivation. It throws everything out of whack. Hormones, stress levels, the whole shebang.
Yeah, that makes sense. I always feel kind of janky when I don't sleep enough. Everything's harder.
Exactly. And the source emphasizes that sleep deprivation bumps up those harmful stress hormones we talked about earlier.
Right. The heart-attacking Pac-Man ghosts.
Yeah, those guys. So getting enough sleep isn't just about feeling rested. It's about protecting your heart.
Okay. Message received. 7 to 8 hours. No excuses.
Exactly. Make it a non-negotiable. Just like you schedule your workouts, you got to schedule your sleep.
I like that. Schedule your sleep. It's in the calendar.
Right. And finally, the source stresses something super important. Being proactive.
Proactive. So, not just waiting for a heart attack to happen.
Exactly. Regular checkups with your doctor, blood work, all that. Catching potential issues early.
Right. Prevention is key.
Okay.
Always better to stay ahead of things.
Absolutely. Knowledge is power. Understand your health metrics. Work with your doctor. You can take control of your heart health.
Totally. So it's a multi-pronged approach.
Right.
Lifestyle, diet, and being proactive.
Yeah, it's not about one big thing. It's a bunch of little things adding up. So what resonated with you the most from all this?
Good question. I think for me, it's the connection between stress and heart health. I knew stress was bad, but I never realized how deeply it impacts your heart.
Yeah, it's a powerful connection. So what's one little change you're going to make to prioritize your heart health?
I'm committing to that zone 2 walking. And definitely going to prioritize sleep. No more late night Netflix binges for me. How about you?
Well, I've been meaning to try meditation, so maybe I'll finally give that a shot. It's all about those small steps, right?
Absolutely. To a healthier heart. Thanks for joining us for another deep dive.
Cheers to that. And to